Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am RAKESH VALASA. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about Experiment 11 Viva Questions on draw the given electrical and electronic circuit diagrams. Question number 1. What is the primary function of the design center in AutoCAD? The answer is the primary function of the design center in AutoCAD to allow users to browse, access and reuse drawing content such as blocks, layers, layouts, text styles, dimension styles, line types, etc. Second question, how do you open the design center in AutoCAD? Here we can follow three methods to open the design center in AutoCAD. Method 1, using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl 2 on your keyboard. Second method, from the ribbon, go to the View tab on the ribbon. Method in the palette panel, click on Design Center. This is method 2. Method 3 is using the command line. In the command prompt, type AD center or ADC in the command line, then press enter. These are the three methods you can open the design center in AutoCAD software. Question number 3. Can you access tool palettes through the design center? Yes, we can access tool palettes through the design center. Let us see the procedure. First, open the design center by using any one of the method already mentioned in the second question. For example, you can use Ctrl 2 or type ADC in the command prompt. Navigate to a drawing file that contains blocks or other content you want. Then right click on the content like a block, hatch or layout. Select create tool palette from the right click menu. Then you can access the tool palettes through the design center. Question number 4. Here when you choose create tool palette, this will automatically add the selected content to a tool palette, making it easy to reuse in other drawings by just dragging and dropping from the palette. Question number 4. What is the purpose of a fuse in an electrical circuit? The answer is the purpose of a fuse in an electrical circuit is to protect the circuit from overcurrent, which can be caused by short circuits, overloads or equipment failure. Question number 5. What is the purpose of a diode in an electronic circuit? The answer is the purpose of a diode in an electronic circuit is to allow current to flow in one direction only, acting like a one-way valve for electricity. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.